Hello friends, today we shall discuss exercise 3.4 question number 7. A number is divisible by 12. By what other numbers will that number be divisible? Let us take one example. Suppose we have taken one number, that is the number is 36. Number is 36. Now you know that 36 is divisible by 6, that is 6 is 36, right? And we say, we can here we see that this 36 is also divisible by 2, that is it is also divisible by 2 because the last digit is 6 or even number, right? And it is also divisible by 3, right? Why? Because 3 plus 6 is 9 and 9 is divisible by 3. Therefore, this number is also divisible by 2 and 3. Now, what is the relation between them? What is the relation? Here you see that 36 is divisible by 6, right? And it is also divisible by 2 and 3. Now, what are 2 and 3? What is the relation between 6 and 2 and 3? Here you find that 2 and 3 are the factors of 6, are the factors of 6, factors of 6, right? That means if a number is divisible by one number, then that number will be divisible by its factors also, right? In the same way, suppose a number we don't know, suppose the number is x, right? X is divisible by 12. Therefore, you can say that x is divisible by the factors of 12 also. So there are four numbers. Right? That means if a number is divisible by a number, then the same number will be divisible by the factors of that number. What is the factors of 12? We have to find the factors of 12. Factors of 12 are factors of 12 are 1 into 12 is equal to 12, 2 into 6 is equal to 12, and 3 into 4 is equal to 12. Therefore, these are the factors 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now you see, if this number is divisible, this x is divisible by 12, then this x is also divisible by the factors. That is, it is divisible by 1, it will be divisible by 2, it will be divisible by 3, it will be divisible by 4, and it is also divisible by 6 also, right? Because these are the factors 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. Here you see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. That means if a number is divisible, suppose x is divisible by number 12, then x is also divisible by the factors of 12. And factors of 12 we are getting that 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. Therefore, by what other numbers will that number be divisible? Therefore, we can say that that number will be divisible, that number will be divisible by will be divisible by will be divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, right? Therefore, we can say that if any number is divisible by particular number, then that number will also be divisible by the factors of that number. In the same way, here you see that is 36 is divisible by 6. Therefore, 36 is also divisible by the factors of 6, that is 2 and 3. In the same way, if a number x is divisible by 12, then this x is also divisible by the factors of 12, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. Right? This is the solution of question number 7.